First impressions. Okay, we're getting tactical. When you're creating content on YouTube, first impressions matter. And your first impressions on YouTube are title and thumbnail. Those two components are what people are going to either see you and click into engage or swipe away. And by that, I mean, what are you calling the video? So a sermon video, don't call it sermon video June 28th. No, because no one's going to search for that. That tells you what it is when it happened. Put that in the description. The title should be something that actually relates to what people might be compelled by. This is the first impression. So when they see it, their search results, is the title potentially going to be something that could show up in search results? That's called search engine optimization, SEO. Maybe you've heard of that. So you want to craft a title that is actually intentional to what people might be searching for. That could be as simple as the title of the sermon. Like, give it the name in the first words. What was it called? Or maybe it's a compelling question that this sermon's answering. There's lots of ways to think about this, but just be intentional about the title. And similarly, the thumbnail. Now, YouTube will automatically pick thumbnails from your video for you, which is great. And you can also auto select what you want it to be. You can even do like some ABC testing. You can have up to 3 options you try out. But the point is, don't just let it be a random frame. Try to make something intentional. Even go as far as use something like Canva, free editing app for images, where you can use some templates built in to make something that's intentionally designed with images and simple, minimal, very easy to read text. Has to be simple because people are reading it on this device. They're reading it tiny, the size of a stamp, but still having something where what they see draws them in. Because this is what we're going to get to in a minute with some of the key stats. But the first impression is, what's it called and what are people seeing? You can't let that just go accidental. That has to be incredibly intentional.